We got 2 pregnant Betties in the house. Have a seat. I have something up my sleeve. It's some magic powder for you both. Twinkle, twinkle, shine. And some for you. Enjoy. It's taking longer than I thought. Tick-tock. Why is nothing happening? Huh. I'll go. Are you feeling what I'm feeling? Poof! The girls have come to life! That cake looks amazing! Let's dig in! I love this! It's cake-tastic! The girls are so busy eating, they didn't realize that it's not their cake! Hey! What are you doing? My cake! No! Zap! Sigh! My poor cake! It was mine! Looks like the gal pals are sent to a challenge! Look what we have here! A new doll! Betty's gonna grab her. Yay! No! I want her! No! Me! No! Mine! It's mine! Ah! Oh no! The girls broke the doll in half! How awful! But now the dishes appeared! Lift off! Wow! So pretty! Yikes! Looks like the other dish is red kidney beans! No worries that she has no legs. This cake will now be her skirt. And now I can add this candy syrup so it ever so gently spills down her dress. Look at the gorgeous pink color! Now I will add the other little sweets all around. I love this so much! It's glorious! Well, I'll make the doll legs work. It looks like she's upside down. Hee-hee! I know. I'll place this plastic bag and fill the kidney juice in. And here we go! Spread it all around and… oh no! This is kind of gross! Ew! So many beans! Now Betty is having her first bite. Wow! It seems amazing! Oof! And I'm next! And boy, do I hate this taste! Blech! Disgusting! LOL! Betty is going off in dreamland. She's picturing fame and prestige with her cake! Wake up! Betty is annoyed. She's gonna get out of here. Where are you going? Oh no, Betty is slipping on a water bottle. Her cake is going to go flying. Ah! Thud! It's all over her. This is heartbreaking. Ugh. Wow! Yikes. Wait, what's this? Ooh, looks like it's a steer for the Kinder Surprise plane. It's coming straight towards Betty. How cool! She'll try her first bar. So pretty and golden. I want one, and it surely passes the taste test. Betty will now spread the golden bars all around her cake. So shiny! Last but not least, she can add her glimmering tiara. How lovely! This is definitely Instagram material for sure. Stay on fleek. Get it, girl! A balloon? Let me blow it up! That's awesome! Now she can make a balloon animal. It's gushing chocolate! Yay! I can cover my doggy in chocolate! Epic! Now it goes perfectly with my cake. Hee-hee! And I have an idea! Looks like Betty is about to be tricked. This for sale sign will make Betty think the cake is worth way more than hers. Ooh. Okay. Here's all my cash. Take it! Nope. I will only give you this cake if you give me yours. Betty has fallen for the ruse. She switched her cake and pop! Oh no! Betty has been bamboozled! Ugh! LOL! Snooze, you lose. Wow! Look at my balloon of liquid gold. I don't get what I have. This golden straw is so cute. Pull it in. I love this drink. Hee hee hee. I have a sneaky plan. Pop goes the weasel. Oh no, she's soaked. I'll get you for this. Wait, the golden liquid made my cake better. It's so beautiful. I love it. Just wow. This chocolate is to die for. Oh man, what do I have? A lousy muffin. I know, I'll play a trick. I can turn it into a pile of poop. Yikes, look Betty. Nom, nom. I'm eating poop, so good. Betty can't take the sight of this. She needs to get out of here. Yes, my plan worked. Now I can have Betty's cake. Let's slice that baby open and pull out a slice. Wow! So beautiful and rainbow! I love it! And there's all this candy inside! Yay! Wow! Check out the rainbow cake! I only have kernels! What is this? Why? Betty got pretty Skittles! They go perfectly with cake! Hee time to rip this open! Sprinkle, sprinkle, Skittle! One fell to the floor, but Betty didn't notice. She just wants to have a taste. Her gal pal has an idea! Socks can definitely help with the grip. Lucky me, I can't pass this opportunity up! Score! And it looks like there's more she can do. Betty is about to hear a new plan. She hears all about how they can decorate her cake and thinks this is brilliant! All we need is a frying pan. And now add your Skittles. The lid on top. Let's light this baby up! Some heat allows the kernels and Skittles to mix and become colorful popcorn. Fun! Stop! Stop! Stop it! More! 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 Wow! So beautiful and rainbow! I love it! Look how much they made! It's everywhere! And they're delicious too! So tasty and crispy! Up next, we have M&M ice cream! Nice! But I only got an apple core! This calls for another scheme, hehehe. Looks like she made her way to the confiscated box. Wow! What's inside? Hey! No one is allowed in that box! Get back here! Wow! Look at the teacher go! She's so fast and speedy. No! Get away! I'll teach you! I'll get you next time, mark my words! Phew! She's back and safe and sound. Now she has her can of Pringles. Crushing the chips gives her a nice layer on top. And the googly eyes are so fun and spooky! Doritos over here, and gummy straws for the final touch. I'm ready to dig in! This is so good! I love it! Okay, weirdo. Time for me to scoop my ice cream. I can't believe how smooth it is! These scoops go perfectly over the top of my cake. Easy does it! Let's transform them all over. That's awesome! Wow! Betty is loving it! Hey, I found you! Hide! No sugary sweets allowed! Hi-ya! No! Hey, this stinks! No fair! Get over here! I'll teach you! watching our video today. Be sure to like and subscribe for even more fun videos and challenges. All right, we'll see you soon.